Welcome to the project RFID Mailbox. This project was created by Katherine Abreu, Jhoyner Jordan, and Sergio Palacio, with the help of our advisor, Dr. Ismail Yusal. The purpose of this project is to create a smart mailbox, one that will sense the presence of mail, open with a smart key, notify the user about the presence of mail, and have security features to protect the user.
We designed this project to work with two mailboxes at the time, so we got a connector for those two mailboxes and the power they need each. Then comes the Wi-Fi module and the RFID reader, which are connected directly to the microprocessor. After the design was complete, we printed it with all the respective protections to ensure the protocols are well met. Then comes the design of the mailbox itself. We got it designed on SolidWorks with the hole for the sensor and a back hole for the cables and connections.
Once the system has started, the IR sensor is activated in order to check if there is new mail or not, and then send a UDP package to the database. In the database server, we check if there is new UDP package in the sniffer port, and then we decode it, and then we inserted the data into the database table. And if they are different, we send a push notification of new mail.
This is an overview of our project. The first thing that we wanted to show you was the cell phone. On the cell phone, you can see that no notifications are displayed on the phone currently. Now we will move over to the mailbox. Here you can see that because there's no mail in the box, when the user tries to open the box, nothing happens. Now the user will put in the mailbox as if she were the mailman, and you can see now on the phone that a notification has popped up. If the user clicks on this notification, it will send them to the database. On the database, you can see that a notification has been received and what time it was received. So now when the user tries to open the mailbox, it opens with no problem.
For the complete system testing part, we tested it several times to see if the lock had mechanical issues, and we didn't have any because we used 3D printing to build the mailbox with accurate measures. For the app, we did it to test if the app established background connection with the database to know when to send notification. So that's why we created a script in the server to check the last data recorded in the database. In addition, we sent a large amount of UDP package and verified that they are all read correctly.
One of the most important features of this project is that the key would only work with the appropriate mailbox. To have this function work, we made sure that the reader could only steal information if it was within 50 millimeters of the key. The next thing that we wanted to make sure is that it would only open when there was mail. To ensure this, we inserted a code that would only open the mailbox if the sensor detected that there was in fact mail in the box. To ensure the security of our user, we encrypt the database. We also make sure to pick an RFID key that was consistent with protocol ISO 4443, which ensures that that type of key could only open our mailbox. For the app to be able to receive notification from the server, there is a very long and specific token as well as an RFID key that must be registered to the user, and it's only known by the person with the server ID.